and I finally managed to get somebody to recommend me a place where I can go buy a washer and a dryer. I'm currently just gonna go and pick up a washing machine, and then maybe later on get a dryer, but I don't think it's necessary, especially here in Zambia, because most of the time the sun is out, so I could always just basically dry my clothes outside. But for the most part, I have been needing a washing machine because washing clothes with your hands is a whole skill and a whole struggle that I personally do not want to continue doing. And so I will go and pick up this washing machine, and you guys can come along. They're here. Say hi. Say hi. Look guys, we're here trying to find us a washing machine. Ellie, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get going. We're in. So they have a bunch of different appliances over here. And obviously I'm looking for a washing machine. I think I found the one that I came here for. This is the one that I was recommended. It is cheaper according to the person, but I guess they've increased their price. So probably have to buy it because I'm gonna have to talk to somebody who's gonna give me more information. But they do have just a bunch of other stuff here. So guys, there are other washing machines here. I think they're a lot more expensive. Right here, 24,000, 16,000. Pretty expensive. But depends on how big of a washing machine you're looking for. If you're just looking for something that's like super practical, then you just get according to what you can afford. And what are you guys doing? Key? Can you come here? What are you doing? Oh, this is actually really, really nice. This is something that's like super ideal. If we ever have our own house, this could be installed into the countertop instead of having one that's like outside. So guys, I'll send you guys the address of, well, I'll link down below the address of this place, and you guys can come and do a little bit of shopping for your appliances. And I think most of the stuff come with a 2-year warranty, which is something that everybody wants. Key, come to mama. Come here. Come here. Kiani. He's walking now, as you guys can see. Ellie, can you stop touching? Ugh, too busy. Okay guys, I will show you guys how the washing machine will be installed once I get home. Thanks guys, and see you guys in a bit. Not fitting. Baby, ili mukati ya washing machine.
Oh yeah, yes.
So guys, unboxing the washing machine. These are all the things that come with the washing machine. That's, what is that?
This is the
Where the water is gonna pass
yes,
through?
Yes.
Okay. And then are there legs in there?
Legs.
So here are the legs that the washing machine is gonna be standing on.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, so
Yes, the machine.
he's going to explain how he's going to get the washing machine onto that corner and what the process is. Go ahead.
The water will be coming from this side.
Okay.
Yes, I'll separate the water from I'll separate.
Okay.
Yes. After that, I'm going to put a hole here.
Okay.
Whereby after you finish washing,
Yeah.
the water will be going through a hole.
Okay.
Which I'll put, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it
Up
will
to
just be
that
drained
waist.
into.
Yes.
Okay.
Then electricity, I'll tap it from here. I'll
Okay.
put a tracking.
Okay.
A tracking so that it looks nice.
Okay.
Yeah. And I'll connect it from here so that to avoid water.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
from
yes.
it touching the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That's what I'll do.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's all I needed. So guys, they finally got everything cooked. The washing machine is finally ready, and your girl is going to be testing out, and I'll maybe do part 2 of this, reviewing the washing machine and everything. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day. Good